Oh, hey there. Startled me. I was just polishing up some of my business trophies and I realized I don't have any barbecue competition trophies. You know why? Because I've never gotten in one. So I figured, I better get in the Rib Rumble down at Ocean Springs, Mississippi this Saturday. That's right, August 9th, this Saturday. I'm gonna be there along with the Dan-O's Outlaws and we're gonna be competing. There's 2 rib competitions and a chicken competition. We're getting in all of them. We'll see you there, my friends. The information's down below. There's still about 20 to 30 entries left. You can get in and compete against me. It's my first ever barbecue competition. We'll see you there. Yum, yum, get you some.